Hello, welcome to my channel. Come with me, let's drive together. Stavanger, Norway. I'm driving this evening. It is exactly 20:40 in Norway right now. It's Saturday night and I'm going out. I am driving from Amfi Madla in Stavanger to Sandnes. So come with me, let's drive together. It is a distance of 15 minutes. Notice how beautiful the roads are. When are we going to upgrade to this standard? The roads are good, the street lights are working, security is perfect. Zebra crossing is respected. You can hardly see a road mishap. Drivers respect each other. They respect the pedestrians too. And everybody is happy. Shortly we will join the motorway. We drive a little faster. This is Saturday night. My wife's friend is celebrating her birthday. My family is already there, so I'm driving to join them so that we can party. Give you clips from the party. Just some clips, if I remember. Almost 9 p.m. It's almost 9 p.m., 9 at night. You'll be surprised. It is not yet fully dark. That is how it is in summer. By the time we get to June and July, it might be bright like this till 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. Sometimes 12 p.m. sorry. That is why they call Norway the land of the midnight sun, because sometimes between 11 and 12 you see a little bit of sunlight. It is not fully dark. When it becomes dark from 12, the darkness lasts from 12. Once it's 3 o'clock, it's light again. Sometimes if you go to the north part of Norway, at that period, there is no darkness at all during June and July. If there is, it's like only 1 hour or so, 30 minutes. And it's very partial darkness, partial. You can still walk around without light. So, I am in Sandnes. It is 5 minutes to 9 p.m. Norwegian time. That is 8:55. And this is a Saturday night. All right, enjoy your weekend. Always be with us in Okago TV. We will bring you all the stuff happening in Norway. And sometimes we will discuss Nigeria too. Thank you and bye-bye.